Dear students, I am Mahesh Das Mahant, your English teacher. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am also fine. Okay, so let's start today's study. Today we will study adjective phrase. Okay, so please pay attention and understand the matter carefully. Okay, dear students, let us review the interesting sentence you put together at the beginning of the lesson. Okay, the groups of words in sentence, the silly, playful. Okay, these are the modifying the noun squirrel and it is short busy, modifying the noun tail in the sentence to the scrawny blade, modifying the noun alien. Okay, in this sentence example of the adjective phrase, a group of words that acts as an adjective and modifies the noun and does not have a verb which changes from in a sentence is an adjective phrase. Okay, an adjective phrase is made of a head adjective and other words. Okay, an adjective phrase may be made of a string of adjectives. Okay, like example, you can see. Okay, the long and narrow dark tunnel was flooded in the rains. Okay, the bold letter words are the adjective phrase. They were selling beautiful hand woven rugs. In the beautiful hand woven is the adjective phrase. Okay, an adjective phrase may contain other words and phrases before or after the head adjective. For example, the colorful and neatly dressed children participated in the parade. Okay, now children is modified by the adjective phrase. The colorfully and neatly dressed made up with the adverbs colorfully and neatly before the head adjective dressed. So in this sentence, okay, the colorfully and neatly dressed is the preposition adjective. Adjective phrase. Okay, now we see it was a terribly windy day. The noun day is modified by the adjective phrase and terribly windy made up with the adverb terribly before the head adjective windy. Okay, now see another examples. The soldiers wear protective bulletproof jackets. Now the noun jackets is modifies the adjective phrase protective bulletproof. Okay, the experience an adjective phrase may form a part of the noun phrase. Okay, for example, the biting wintry winds kept us indoors. In the sentence, the biting wintry winds is the noun phrase and the biting wintry is the adjective phrase. Okay, biting wintry is the adjective phrase. Now see another phrase. Okay, so let's see. In sentence, sometimes adjective phrase may not contain any adjective but still describes a noun or a pronoun. Examples: the girl running the race is my friend. Here, which girl? The one running the race. Okay. Here, the running the race is the adjective phrase. Okay. The car parked under the tree is ours. Which car? The parked under the tree. Okay, here the park under the tree is the adjective phrase. Now see, both the adjective phrase running race and the park under the tree have no adjectives. Okay, now see B number, some exercise. Okay, circle all the nouns first, then underline the adjective phrase that may precede or follow some nouns. Okay, precede or follow some nouns. The first one has done for you. Okay, in first has done for you. Let's see. I was woken up by the beautifully singing larks in the morning. Here larks is the nouns and the followed by the beautifully singing. Okay, this is the adjective phrase. Now in second number, very few children had come in properly ignored uniforms. Uniform is noun and improperly ignored means adjective. Okay, in third number, the best seasonal fruits grow in my garden. Fruits is the nouns and freshly and best seasonal is the adjective. Okay, now another see, freshly baked bread smell delicious. Here bread is the noun. Okay, and smells delicious is the adjective phrase. Okay, and freshly is also adjective phrase. Fifth, the pistol owned by the hijacker was a fake. Fake is a noun. Okay, and the pistol owned is the adjective phrase. Now in sixth number, shops on the main street usually have better merchandise. Shops is the noun and better merchandise is the adjective phrase. Now in seventh, the most amazing gymnast won the gold. Gold is the noun and the most amazing gymnast is the adjective phrase. Now in number 8, they are rebuilding the houses in the flood areas. Houses and areas are the nouns and in the flood areas are the adjective phrase. Okay. The most interesting part of the movie is when the character is shrink. Okay. The most important part is the adjective phrase. Okay, movie is the noun. Okay. In 10th, the highest peak has been climbed by 12 years old girl. School girl. School girl is the noun and the highest peak is the adjective phrase. Now see next page to understand it. Okay. The next page is a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase consists of a preposition and a noun or a pronoun that serves as the object of the prepositional. There may be one or more words before the objects of the preposition. And let's see in another page. Okay. Example. They all gathered in the garden. In the garden is the preposition adjective. Okay. We all are laughed loudly during the film. During the film is the preposition adjective. In the on the culture, curious preposition adjective. And over Chinese is preposition adjective. Okay. Now we see or more example. In the hotel is the preposition adjective. Now we see some exercises. Okay. So let's see. Read these geographical facts and underline the prepositional phrases. Okay. The number 1, Asia is Asia is a continent with a rich history. In this sentence, with rich history is a prepositional adjective. Now in second number, the Huns River flows through the New York. Through the New York is a prepositional adjective. Okay, so you should underline it. Okay, now we see next page. Okay, number third, the longest river on our planet is Nile. On our planet is the Nile is the prepositional adjective. Now in fourth, Europe is made of many beautiful countries. Of many beautiful countries is the prepositional adjective. Now in number fifth, there is a hot liquid rock under the surface. Under the surface is the prepositional adjective. Okay. Now number 6, the Himalayan mountains are the highest in the world. In the world is a prepositional adjective. Number 7, geographers have divided the earth into 4 hemispheres. Into 4 hemispheres is the prepositional adjective. Number 8, the salt in the Dead Sea does not support any farm life. In the Dead Sea is the prepositional adjective. Okay. Number 9, the most of the world's largest cities are near the banks of the rivers. Near the banks of the rivers are the prepositional adjectives. And number 10, your birthday may fall in the different seasons in another country of the world. Okay. In another country in the world is the prepositional adjective. Dear students, I hope you have understood the explanation of this prepositional adjective and adjective phrase. If you feel any doubt, any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.